With you, Mr. Ihab Gabor. Nice to meet all of you. Today's lesson is about writing. I know when it comes to writing, most of English learners get confused. But after watching my video now, all of you will be happy about watching and the confusion will be finished. Today's lesson is about argumentative essay. Argumentative comes from the word argument, which is like fighting. Argument means what? Two different opinions. One is for and one is against. Essay means what? Two or three or four paragraphs in a piece of writing. What is argumentative essay? Look at this drawing. It has three important parts. The first part is called introduction, the second part is called body, and the third part is called conclusion or ending. Today we're gonna tackle this point, which is introduction. What's introduction? What we have, the introduction is formed by adding hook plus thesis statement. Let's know what's a hook. Hook is like a question at the beginning, or riddle or quotation, to engage the reader's attention, to make him or her happy about completing what's going on next, to make the readers engaged to complete what you're writing. This is called hook. After putting the hook, go to the thesis statement. What is a thesis statement? It is the main idea and the most central point in the essay. How I make it? By putting your opinion and then put at least two reasons, reason one and reason two. And you have to know that the thesis statement is stretched and is discussed through in details in the body. Because body one, here in the body we have two paragraphs in the body. The first body here, body one, speaks about the first reason here that you put in the thesis statement. And the second body is reason two that you put also in the thesis statement. So again, the thesis statement is so important in writing because all of the body discuss what you write in the thesis statement, which is the two reasons or the three reasons. After putting the thesis statement, go to the body, and I told you about the body, and then put the conclusion. Here we have an example. Look here, it's an introduction paragraph. It's an important thing that we daily have for coding, having fun, and communication. If you guessed phones, you are right. Look at the black handwriting. What is it? It's called what? Is it? It's introduction. What kind of it? What part of the introduction here? Is it hook or thesis? It's a hook. What technique is it written with? Is it question or riddle or quotation? I think that it's riddle. What's a riddle here? Like I'm giving you information about something and you have to guess what I'm talking about. Here I'm giving you about some information about something that you have to guess what is it. What do you think as a reader? Do you think that you are engaged? If you think that you are interested to complete, here you are successful in putting the hook. After putting the hook, go to what? This is called hook. After the hook, put what? Thesis statement. Mobile phones are useful and useless. It's what? Your opinion. Thesis statement. Why you said useful and useless? Put the reason. At the same time as means because. Here you put what? Reasons. Reason one and reason two. Here the blue part is called what? Thesis statement, because it has your opinion, and here you put reason one and reason two. Reason one here advantages, and disadvantage is reason two. Can we change the hook and put something else, or put another technique? Here I put riddle. You can put a question like what? Maybe you can change and write another hook. You can say, what would life be without mobiles? Here we have what? It's another hook. Ask yourself, are you engaged to complete? If you're engaged to complete, it means you are successful now in your writing. Here is another hook. What kind of hook? It's hook, but it's not riddle, it's what? Question. Here also is used to engaging the reader's attention. And the hook here is very interesting and the reader will be interested. I finished.